Alright, apparently we need to do another one of these before and afters. This is the before in our 1995 vintage truck camper. And it's called Legend. I didn't name it that. It came like that. Super nasty. But I see a vision with new cushions and new flooring and new curtains. I've already ordered the new Sleep Country mattress in a box. We just bought all the knobs for the cupboards. And a little bit of work to be done.
First trip to Lowe's.
Yep.
For the big
Legend.
Legend. What do we have to get today?
We got to get a whole bunch of stuff to make that jalopy look like.
Gonna paint the cupboards, get some knobs.
Yeah, you're a knob.
Yeah. What are you up to?
I'm just finishing, I'm wiping off all the dust that we just sanded on, or I just sanded on these doors.
Yeah.
And, oh, I'd like to say thanks to our sponsor, DeWalt, because that sander is awesome.
Is this the paint department?
This is the paint department, yeah. This is the cheap labor here. Now I'm gonna try a little one. I'm just gonna do the drawer, see how that turns out.
The old water tank. You want some? Look at this disgustness. Imagine drinking this. Joys of a vintage camper. Took the mattress off. More water damage. Gonna pull this up, check her out. So I think it looks like those rotten bed corners on the inside. I pull this channel down, and these screws come out, and then I can rebuild the inside with wood. Corners, refasten the screws back up into the new wood. Maybe get some of this new channeling. Figure that bad boy out. Alright, I think this little creation is just what the doctor ordered. Oh, come on! There's a full window, some beadboard, and this jam and trim should. Oh yeah. Kaboom. You're not gonna be happy.
Come on.
The roof is rotten underneath.
Oh no.
As I'm right where I'm standing right now, it's firm. When I touch over there, you can feel all the plywood crumbling underneath over, and it'll be a new roof. And while the roof's off, I can run the new wiring for the television and the 12-volt wiring for the fan.
Let's just back this thing up to the dump.
It's
Drop
a nightmare.
Total nightmare.
But now I have to see if we can order the rubber roof. This is awesome. Terrible? Windy. Like, you can get blown off the roof of a house doing that.
That was the longest trip to Home Depot ever.
That was beautiful. What are you doing?
You know what you need right now?
Yeah, I need the wire strippers. We got power?
Yeah, but it's not. Well, obviously you did an awesome job looking it up, but this Max Air fan doesn't feel like Max Air.
What is happening out here?
I noticed you were conveniently absent when the whole crap box porta potty was just getting scrubbed.
I was engineering.
Engineering.
Yeah,
Once again, Aaron gets the crap job.
literally.
So.
So this is going to be the end cabinet for the bedroom, right? Or against the end of the mattress?
The bedroom?
Yeah, what do you call it?
The nook over the top of the pickup?
Yeah. And then you'll be able to shove a bunch of crap down in there at the foot of the bed. And then we're taking a break?
Yeah, we're going to have some ribs.
That's right. So this just came in the mail today. It's like 75 bucks to ship it here and another 43 bucks duty. But it's a new modern replacement for this bad boy, which is a power converter slash battery charger. It's like a single stage old one, the fan's not working. But this apparently is a 3-stage modern one that will do the lithium batteries and everything up to 45 amps. So I know less than zero about electricity, so if I can make that go into that, I'll be impressed. And I put all the negative 12-volt wires into one MAR connector with a piece of ground wire connected to this. But when I phoned the company, the replacement panel company, they said I had to buy my own negative bus bar and run all these negative neutral wires to my own bus bar and put it out the rear of this machine.
We now have the power to go off-grid, boondocking, stay in a city. Steve just hooked up this lithium battery to all the electronics, which would normally be plugged into shore power. And then he hooked up this battery, Victron battery, what's it called?
It's a battery monitor.
Battery monitor, which tells us how much battery we have before we have to recharge, which means we either have to plug into shore power with the big plug there, like into a wall somewhere, or an RV park.
It says we have 70 hours left on this battery.
Awesome.
Just running the lights.
So if we run our fan or our lights or whatever, then
it goes down to 20 hours.
Yeah. So I think this calls for a celebration. Let's have
brewski.
Yeah.
Plumbing's done, a little MacGyver job there with some PVC pieces glued together. That's the Flomax. It's supposed to be not bad. Apparently it's quiet. Doesn't jiggle too much, they say. And we got our gravity fed inlet. The vent for when you're filling it goes out back out to the hatch. Got a drain port down there, and then this is the water inlet back to the pump. Lots of fun.
Okay, here comes the water test. Oh my God! Woo!
Listen to the pump. Pump's going.
Okay.
What's the pump? Okay, the pump.
Well, we just finished. That hum on the last video was the water pipe hitting the propane.
Propane pipe. So we put some foam in between.
Okay, now we're gonna test this newly installed shower. I look at.
Gotta tighten this. Oh yeah, baby.
Showers on the road.
That's pretty good pressure.
Yep. Good. We probably got no water left in our water tank, but yeah.
That's awesome. And then when I get the hot water hooked up, we're laughing.
Yep.
Is this what's called a partial reveal? Because we're still waiting on more subway tile to arrive.
And lots of things. I'm waiting for the fabric to go up, the cushions to go up, the back cushions, the mattress, the blind, the TV frame, the flooring. But we did lots so far today.
I'll say.
I think it's time to call skip the dishes because I'm hungry. What do you think? And you don't have those hanging anywhere. So Conrad just calling the guy, the lady about the buttons to see if she can make those. I think that'll look nice with that fabric. Thank God we saved all this foam. This is going to be a fortune. Morning, buddy.
Good morning. Where's our first boondock? We're in the Hamilton Harbor. By the
On this rainy morning.
Let's have a look at what our view is. Oh yeah.
Very Instagram.
We woke up to the Hamilton Harbor. Williams Coffee. Time for a bean.